Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Chrysler Jeep Compass. So from any screen, you've got phone here, nav controls, apps, climate, radio. If you go to phone, you'll see there devices unavailable. Make sure it's on or within range. So that's Bluetooth pairing. So basically nothing there. Messages, phone calls, favorites, recent, and pairing. Onto pairing. Paired phones and audio devices, that's what we need. So we now click there, you'll see John's phone there. I go on that, connect phone or delete phone. We want to delete phone. Do you want to delete the device, John's phone? Yes. That's it gone. So basically that's it. I'll just show you that again. What you need to do, we'll go back on nav. So you go to phone, no phone connected. Would you like to pair? Well, no, there's nothing to pair, is there? So no. But there you see. Go to pairing to add or connect to phone. Pairing. Onto pairing. Phone pop-ups, paired phones and audio devices. That's what you want. That's what you need to delete it. And there you go. You can add a device from there, pair audio sources, and if there was a phone paired, it would show up on here and you would delete it.